Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Supreme. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for skill enhancement in your career. In this video, we will learn about POM, Page Object Model. That is like which approach we are adapting in your project. So till now we have discussed about Cypress basics and some advanced topics. Now today we will discuss about the page object models. So basically what is the page object model? It is a design pattern. Okay, so in design pattern, like it should be the good and reusability of the code should not be it should be there, and it should duplication of code should not be there. Generally, we are writing any of the test cases when we are saying cy.get, cy.widget, cy.widget, cy.widget. So like that, it's a duplication code is will more. But if we are using any page classes, and then we can define particular methods, then it will be like reusability code will be increased and it's a readable format, and some new member will join to your company or your project, so they can understand about that how to run the script and how they created the page classes. So like what will happen here, like page classes is very important. Page classes. Okay, so like I will give the example of that one website is there, and that is like when you launch the URL. So that is like we can call the main page class, main page. Okay, and you can keep the any name also before that. Okay, in the in main page, how many elements are there? Like in main page, the sign up button is there, login button is there. Okay, and title will be there, label will be there, any label should be there. Okay, like the etc. So these things will be there. So these buttons and these things will come under the main page. Second, like we can say, now I say the login buttons. Okay, and we want to create second page is the login button, login login page. Okay, in the login page, one more button is the sign up buttons. Okay, and label like log into these applications, login for the application name like coding. Okay, anything like it will be there, label association is there, and title will be tell always, so title will be there. These things it will be there. Okay, etc. we can say. And some, if you click on the login button, like create new account, create new account buttons are also there, like that. Okay, etc. It will be there. So we have to assert particular things like these buttons are there, so we have to create the separate page classes always. And so once we'll create the all separate classes, then it will be better. Okay, now like sign up, so sign up page classes we can create. Sign up page class, okay, sign up page classes. In sign up page classes, like lab, you can say username, like first name last name, like is there, first name last name, mail id, this information will be there, gender, like this information we have to fill this all the text box. Okay, so etc. And you will create new account is already there button, but something like like another button etc. you can say. So like this type of button will be there. So what will happen in the page classes, why you want to use the POM means all the elements available in the same page class is separate page classes divided, and the buttons are there in particular page classes. So if you want to run your test case, you want to access data, so you know what test case you are doing or which page class, this page class we can keep. If we are keeping the single page class like main page class, it's very difficult to understand about that where is our functions. And if we divided with the pages, okay, one like main page class, all the elements are available in the related to the main page class. So like this way we have to handle, and we can access this data in our test class, and we can access it and we can run it. Okay, let's start. We'll go to the VS Code. Okay, so last video we learned the HTTP request, so this is here. Okay, so now we can see we have a download folder, E2E, picture, reports, this is, but we don't have any page classes. So we can create one folder which is related to page class. Okay, folder, page, page class. I'm keeping the name of page class. Okay, and folder is created, and here see when we want to run, like we are using the JavaScript. Okay, and if you want to use the TypeScript, JS would be the TS. So JavaScript is there, so we have to create the page class in the JavaScript. Okay, we'll take one example of that test case. Last we you took the hooks test case. Okay, this is a hook test case. We'll close this one. Okay, as you know, the last video we learned about that. This is a hooks, and we can go to we'll go to this go to main page. Here, this URLs are there. See, then you can see like we have to keep that test cases. Test steps are more like go to the go to that main page URL and accepting the button. So it is very deep. Like your code will be more in the test case, and it's very difficult to understand. Oh, this is there, or that is there. Okay, we have to understand. See, multiple steps are there. So better to we create the another functions in that page class, and we can access from them. And this data we want to see this is the looks like it's very it's not good. You can see the login button is there. This is there. So it's like looks like not a good. So we will create the page classes for that one by one, and we can do it. Okay, so we will start from the first day. Okay, so before, okay, and you know we last time we did this is a picture how to read the data from the picture file. So for my understanding that a good approach is like direct import is there, that is very good, directly we can access. And if you want to use this line of code little for the newcomers, it is like difficult to us. Okay, so I'm removing this line of code. Okay, only I will take this one, just a minute. So this is like this way we have to do. So let's go to the main, and we can this one we can enable, and we can remove this one that is not required, right? Because we created this constant. Okay, so this is like this is we want this test case we want to convert in that page. We have to access the data, create the mini page class, and we have to access the data from that. Okay, first we'll check the test case is running or not. So better to understand about that, it should not be infect anything. Okay, so what will happen first is that go to main page is there. As you know, go to main page is there. In go to main page, just a minute, I will check hooks basic test, hook test case. Okay, yeah, this is already working. So now we will convert each and everything in the page. We can use the page object model in your test case. Okay, so first step is there to go to page, go to main page. Here go to main page, the two line of code is the URL and this one. And go to main page means I can say this is the main page. You can see the main page, login button is there, start playing is there. So we can create that one page class for that. Okay, let's create the page class. Where is the page class? Okay, here we can create the test case, this page class. So what the name, it should be the meaningful name like anything. our website name is like coding game, so we can mention the code in game main page .js. Okay, like that we can keep. Okay, so like this is like main page, this is the main page is there, and in this main page everything will be this buttons, this lab, this is their logo is there. Now these buttons are there. Okay, so we can keep. So these all things should be available in the particular main page. Okay, now we'll have to create the page. Okay, class coding code in game main page. Okay, okay, I created the page class. Okay, now what will happen? What is this? This is line of code, right? We can copy this one. Okay, and we can go here. So this is the page, and what is the functionality of that? You can say to go to the main page. Yeah, we can give the some function name. Okay, so function name like URL is there. Okay, and we can create like one more functions. Go to go to home page URL. Okay, I created one functions like this way, and we can give our line of code here. Got it? And now you can see this function is like showing that not there, and this is not there. You can see the login button is not there. Why is not there? How we are accessing the data? So we are accessing data like that way. We have to import the files. See, this is the imports. Like this we have to import. So here also we can import same. So we will read the data. Export code coding data from string. This is a picture file slash which is coding. Okay, this is there. Now we will see it's coming the header. So see login selector is showing, this is all data is like, so you are able to read the data. Okay, first point is clear. Now if you want to access this page class in the test class, okay, so we have to import the test class. Okay, page class you have to import. So we want to import the page class, so we have to same function import. Import is the best, always you have to see. Okay, a name will give the in code in game main page, because the name should be the like correct only, so it will be easy to understand, same name should be there. Okay, as per your understanding you can keep other name also. Page class slash this is the coding page. Okay, okay, so now what is the second one is there, but you know when you want to create the page, and it will be like how we will handle, that is the main point. Okay, so this is created. Now we have to create the object of the particular page. Okay, so constant is there, and constant is there. We can say main page, main page, the home page. You can tell the home page and main page. Home page, you can see the home page equal to new. Okay, now we created that this one, that is we created the object of the page class. Okay, now you can, but see now we will take from here, and it is which line of code here. Okay, and we can comment it this one, and we can dot. See, these many methods are there, but did you think like this home page is there? Yeah, home. See, home page dot home page, but we want to access that, go to home page URL, that we are not able to access. You can see, go to go to home page is not coming. go to home page. It's not good. Why? Because class is there, but we have to one more thing we have to add is here. Okay, that is okay. That is like after the line of code we have to export that particular page class. So export default page class. What is the page class name? C main. Okay, this is the exporter. Okay, and now you can go and check dot go to home page URL. See, directly coming. Okay, like this way. And now we'll see the test case is running or not. See, first one is running, right? This is starting. So we this is not required at all. So the home page dot go to home page URL. That's it. Very easy. First step is done. Now second step I want to say before block is done. Now we want to check that before each ready for the logins. For this is also we have a like same page. We have to button is there. We have to click on the signing button. Okay. So for that we can create another functions and we can say login. Click on. We can say go to the login page. We can say okay. Click on login button. Okay, you can say click on login button. Yeah, otherwise you can say the you can say go to login page. That is like no, click on login button is okay. Click on login buttons. Okay, this is the function. We can create another one. Okay, now what we have to do? Same thing. We have to copy paste on that. And you know this is data we already there with us, and I want to take the data. Okay, you can see this everything is there. Got it? And now you want to access this also. It should be the camel casing should be there, so it will be looks like very good. Okay, and here this also is the home page, right? Home page and dot login page. Okay, I want to check. I want to do some more things like home page also as should not be capital. It should be the camel casing should be the good. It should be the camel casing. Okay, so now like home page is there. If you want to change the name, you can change like this way. Okay, like this, and we can give HQ small shift enter and all the button's name is change. Okay, so two line of code like before each is completed from our end, like this is, and now you can see there is not getting a C, and this is running as expected. Now till here is okay, but if you are going to the it blocks, this is the sign up page, and this is not sign up page. It's coming under. If you click here, okay, this is the login page. And now you have to click on the sign up. Okay, so this is a login page. You can say login page. So we have to create another page class, not that. So we have to go to another page class, and I want to always say, okay, page class should be the correct name. I copy paste, I did the page class. Okay, so this is a login page class. Login page. Okay, this is the second page class, and this is import is okay. And here also login page class means you have to change the login, and same thing you have to export. Okay, and no need these functions. Cool. Okay, so now what we have to do, this is the steps we have to perform. Okay, so if you want to click on, you can create the function, click on sign up sign up button. Okay, Fine. Okay. And when we click on the sign up button, what will happen? Assertions, title assertions. So we can say assertion or title. Okay, this is you can like this line of code we have to use a different way. Just a minute. Okay, and this is assertions, right? We are keeping the assertions. So we can go to assert, assert title on sign up button, sign up page. Sorry. Okay, not button. Okay, this is assertion of that our things. Okay, two functions. Third one, what is there? Assert label on web page. Assert label. Okay, assert label, label, label on sign sign up page. Okay, these three, because this is like line of code is different, and we will keep one function also, but this assistant is there, button click is there, the different process is there. And now you see this is our page class and this is your test class, and we want to access the test class, so we have to again import that one more thing. Again we have to import next. So next page class we have to import code in game login. Login is coming, login, and same thing you can keep constant. Here you can see login, just login page. Okay, now you will get the very good. Okay, like this way. Okay, so now what will happen? We can keep login page dot. Now we are coming to their point login page dot. What is that? Sign up buttons. Okay, sign up buttons. This line of code replaced with the sign up buttons. Second one, page title. Login page dot page title association. Okay, this is also gone. And third one is a dot login page dot assert label on sign up buttons. Okay, like this. So now we will see, looks like previously we are doing very difficult. We're showing that we are taking this data from that pixel files, these things we will display, but now nothing is there, directly very easy to understand. Okay, till here is okay. Now one more thing is there, this after each, click on that. After each means we have to click on, we go here and click on the login. So this is also login page only. No, there is no other page. You sign up here, sign up again login. What that? I think not working. See this login. This is a login. This is sign up. Okay. So what will that in same page? Yeah, sign up page. Sign up page is there. Sorry. Sign up page, login button is there. Yeah, login page also login button is there. You can see login button also login page is there. So if this type of button will come, you can keep it any of the page class. So I will keep the login page class. Okay. So we can create click on login, click on login, login button. You can keep like this way. Okay, and if I click on the login button, means label also we are set. Okay, okay, we can keep like this way, and we can give inside that. Okay, and if you want to change these things, just a minute, I will create one other one. Asset label, label on login page nee label on login page. Okay, this is another function. You can keep these things. Okay, this is like multiple functions are there. And now what we have to do in your test class, what we have to do, the login page dot click on login button. Okay, fine. Now login page dot set on login, set label on login page. Okay, this is not required. Till is okay. Now is the after block is there. And after block, what is there? Again, we are calling to main function, and main function already there. So this is like a way to handle, like we have to create the page object model, and all the page classes separate method will be there, and we are reading the data from that particular files, fixer files. You can see the test case is running perfectly. There is no issue in the test case. You can multiple times you can run. This is the approach to understand about that page object model. Okay, make sure we have to create the particular page classes, and we have to define all the buttons elements on the web page. Yeah, if we have multiple page, you can create the multiple page in that case. Okay, and we have used the everything. This test case is perfect, and this line of code is not required now. Fixer, because fixer we already fixer data we are taking in the page class, not in test class, so it is removed. So now you will look like this test case is very good. Created the object, because we are creating the object oriented concept also here, and here like we are using the JavaScript, getting the function of the JavaScripts. Okay, everything like looks like, and it's readable format. You can see in login page is there. Okay, we click on sign up. Okay, login page, sign up button we are clicking. Login page we are setting this there. Now what will happen, if you want to create another test case, we can use directly these functions. We can use import this file and we can use, that's it. So reusability code will be there. So test case will be different. When previously what the we are doing the hard coded, so it will be like not able to use any other page class or other test classes. Okay, so that is related to the page object model.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any new videos.